Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down a hot topic in the world of investing, Merrill Edge versus Merrill Lynch. If you're trying to figure out which one suits your financial goals in 2025, stick around. This video will clear it all up for you. First off, let's start with the basics. Merrill Lynch is a well-established full-service brokerage under Bank of America. It's been around for decades and is perfect for high-net-worth individuals who want personalized financial advice. Think of it as having a dedicated financial advisor who helps with everything from retirement planning to estate management. On the other hand, Merrill Edge is a more modern, online platform also from Bank of America. It's designed for self-directed investors who prefer handling their own trades without the hefty fees. Merrill Edge integrates seamlessly with your Bank of America account, making it super convenient for everyday banking and investing. Now, let's talk differences. One big one is cost. Merrill Lynch often comes with higher fees because of its premium services, while Merrill Edge is more affordable with low or no trading commissions on stocks and ETFs. Accessibility is another key point. Merrill Edge has a user-friendly app and website, ideal for beginners or those on the go, whereas Merrill Lynch requires more in-person or phone consultations. In terms of features, Merrill Edge offers automated tools like robo-advisory services and educational resources, which are great for hands-on learners. Merrill Lynch, however, provides access to a wider range of investment products, including complex options like hedge funds or private banking. So, who should choose what? If you're a DIY investor looking to keep costs down and manage your portfolio online, Merrill Edge is probably your best bet. But if you want tailored advice and don't mind paying for expertise, go with Merrill Lynch. Remember, in 2025, with the rise of digital tools, both platforms might evolve, but their core strengths remain. Always consider your risk tolerance and financial situation before deciding. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.